Is this the start of Altseason or just a trap for investors? Guys, in this video I will share what I expect from the altcoins over the next couple of months, and of course, as usually, I will also tell you my thoughts on the price of Chia Network. Over the past few weeks, we have been getting a lot of positive news about crypto adoption. For example, in the US, pension funds are now allowed to invest in crypto market. And not only in Bitcoin, but also in altcoins. Big funds and even universities like Harvard are already putting money into Bitcoin and Ethereum. But here is the question, why are so many people still expecting the market to drop? And what do I expect? Let's break it down. Looking at the charts, Bitcoin recently dropped to $112,000 and Ethereum to $3,300. Many bloggers were predicting, and some of them still waiting, that Bitcoin will go below $110,000 and Ethereum below $2,800. At the same time, some investors think Altseason is starting right now and expecting thousands of % profit on altcoins. Honestly, both scenarios make sense to me, but let's see what is wrong with each of them. For the first scenario, Bitcoin has been hanging around its all-time high for a while. I think this is a selling zone for Bitcoin. If that is true, then a big drop makes sense. And of course, if Bitcoin drops, altcoins could fall even harder. For the Altseason scenario, altcoins are near their all-time lows. Bitcoin dominance is going down, and it makes sense that there is room for altcoins to grow. But I personally think the big players will fool investors from both camps. I believe Bitcoin dominance will keep dropping for a while, but not to 40% or 30%. More like down to 55%. There is a strong support and it will probably break eventually. But I don't think that will happen soon. Right now, most people are shorting. If altcoins grow 2 or 3x, everyone will think, this is it, Altseason has started and I have missed it. Which will push more people to buy altcoins with whatever money they have left. But this kind of small rally won't let most investors break even on their old positions. Let's take Chia Network as an example. If the price goes up to $30, the chart will show it breaking past previous highs. This one, and this one. And just about to break the $38. And from there, people will start dreaming about 100x gains. And right when the market is convinced Altseason has arrived, we could see a big crash. That would completely disappoint investors and make them believe Altseason will never come again. So let's imagine when the price hits $30. Some people buy in, but only few will sell. They will hope for some growth. Then, for any reason at all, whether the Fed doesn't cut rates, or even if they do, because the market already priced it in, the price drops to $20. People think it's just a correction and the rally will continue. But then it breaks below the $8 low. Fear goes wild, and I think the price could drop much further. I remember the bottom in 2018 and 2020. Many great projects had market cap under $50 million. But Chia Network market cap is still over $146 million. So I expect short-term rally for altcoins, but not crazy like 10x moves or something like that, more like 2 or 3x followed by a drop below current lows. For Chia Network, the signal that I'm wrong and Altseason is actually starting will be a price above $38. If that happens, I will start buying back at market price. But if I'm right, we could make some good money on this moves. Good luck, and be healthy and enjoy the summer.